Hey, what's up, channel link holders? Today is a very bad day for channel link holders. This is live price predication of channel link. Please click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon and select all option for notification because I updating you anytime, any hours. So this is live price predication of last 1 hour. You can check here, and this is the very good chance. You can check here. This is not good chance. Sorry, this is very bad chance. Absolutely very bad chance. You check here, minus 1.47%, very bad change. But if we can see, the highest change is every 27.27 US dollar. This is absolutely good change. This is absolutely good change. So today is the day of channeling. So I am very excited because I am also a holder of Chainlink. So this is just last 1 hour result. If you check it out, the last 2 hour result, I hope they are also good. So let's see. Okay guys, this is absolutely gone wrong. You can check here, the last 2 hour result absolutely going bad. You can check it out, the minus 1.64% change. This is just buying time, not a selling time. This is just buying time. For buyers, this is good time. I suggest you, this is just buying time, and this is just last 2 hour result you see here. So this is buying time because I'm also holder of Chainlink. I'm trying to buy it, so this is good time. So please subscribe, click the subscribe button for latest update. I update you any hour and any good news or bad news. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.